Hello everybody, so welcome to another vlog. We're in the kitchen today because we're going to be doing something that you guys request quite a lot. So it's 5 days of dinners at the Booths. This first day is filmed a while ago, but for some reason I lost the footage or I never filmed the rest of the 5 days. So I had one day and then I forgot to film the other 4 days. So that was filmed a while ago, but the other 4 days are filmed literally this week, which is the 24th of September. This is lunchtime because on a Sunday we have our main meal at lunch, and I've explained this before how in the summer we have a barbecue every Sunday lunch, and then literally there's like a transition day, where in the winter we then transition to roasts. So we're just preparing. Dad's on his little BBQ out here, having a good time. Hello. Got some pasta salad here, some salad and some olives. Normally we do have a lot more, but I think because it's coming to the end of the barbecue season, we normally have, we've got corn. I'll show you when my plate is plated. But normally we have like homemade slaw. I know, I'll show you them, don't you worry. I'm currently cutting the large seeded burger buns. Kim?
Pasta.
Burgers. Corn.
Halloumi.
Pasta. Halloumi.
Sausage.
Sausage. There.
Salad.
There's no sausage.
Sausage.
Oh. So our burger has some pickles, mayo, ketchup, lettuce. Looks flat.
Please.
Oh yeah. Now I know what you're thinking, that literally looks like a teaspoon of pasta salad. But if I'm at a barbecue, I have gone wrong in the past where I've loaded up my plate with different things and then I've ended up not liking one of the things. So I always start off with the barbecue having a small circle of whatever salad there is on offer and then working out which one I like, and then I go back for like seconds and thirds because you just never know if you're going to like it and you don't know if you can trust it. So I've had some more pasta salad. So I'm having some chicken, and also if you need to know how to eat corn. Okay, so it's time for pudding, and pudding is just a chill one today. So what we do, this is a new little snack I'm into. You get some Oreos, marshmallows, chocolate chips, and you zap it in the microwave so the chocolate. What? No, not yet.
Just about to eat that.
Let it cool a bit.
He's going straight.
No, just this. No, it's not like. Take the plate. It's got to be hot.
No.
Do you want that plate then? I'll make my own plate.
I'll take it.
Okay, so it's a really good little snack when there's nothing in the cupboards, but something in the cupboards. I mean,
can we shut that flipping cupboards?
These videos are always going to be funny because they're proper just captured dinner time chaos. Dad getting annoyed at me for keeping the cupboards open, so. Tee hee. No, because I'm about to make another one for myself.
There's nothing in the cupboards.
No, but nothing but everything in the cupboard.
So you need Oreos, marshmallows and chocolate chips, that's something.
Yeah, that's what I said, nothing but everything. Do you know what I mean?
Cupboard?
Why do I like this?
Every time.
Hi guys, so here's one I made earlier. Just gonna put it in the microwave. Churning. These chocolate chips are the most, don't, because my spot's there.
Okay, I'll go for a low angle.
That's better.
Right.
There you go, look at that. Ooh, look at all melty. All the perfect. I like to call it garbage pudding mixed together.
Smells burnt.
You smell burnt. So, hello. Day 2 of dinners, don't mind my appearance. Here we have an array. Baked potato with Branston pickle and butter, a puff pastry pizza slice thing that we make, courgettes and bacon and olives. So, pretty alright. So, finished dinner now. Wasn't really feeling the Branston pickle. Sometimes you're just not in a pickle mood. However, I did consume a lot of olives. This, as I always say, this is the best purchase you can make. Isn't it?
No.
You're working for Morrison's or something?
No, I flipping wish because their olives are divine.
Olives are rank.
And then we're going to have a pudding in a minute whilst we've put our plates away. Hello, so it's pudding time. Here we have a chocolate dessert, as it always causes conflict in the comments. This is a peanut butter chocolate gluten and dairy free cookie.
Gluten and dairy.
I know, and some hot water. Could you grab me another cookie, please, love? So I'm having another cookie. Did you hear the Fox last night play?
No.
Hi guys, so it is the next day and unfortunately we're not having spaghetti. It was supposed to be spaghetti, but it's not spaghetti. There wasn't enough. So we have got mince, pasta, olives, and sauce that I made.
Sauce, you know.
Yeah, basically bolognese with that, and then we've got salad here. So there we go. Oh no, I've actually got an eye appointment tomorrow. I've got a free thing in Boots, so I might as well book it.
See you around, hopefully.
Have fun in Nando's.
I like seeing it was like.
So for pudding, we've got some basically went wrong rock cakes, but they're still edible, so it's fine. I'm gonna have to have a second. EK Max! Hello, so for today's dinner, Mum made a bit of a whoopsie and accidentally got out sausages and chicken instead of 2 packs of sausages. So here it is. Mum says it's like a mini... No, the bacon should have been around the sausages for it to be like a Christmas dinner.
Just alternative.
Broccoli, carrots, mashed potato, 2 sausages, some chicken breast and bacon. There it is.
It's quite a British meal, that.
I'm so sorry, I don't know what that voice was and I don't know why I did it. Clearly I was hungry and in a weird mood.
You have picked a weird week to do it. I feel like every day we've had something a little bit off the cusp.
Yesterday wasn't.
What did you do yesterday?
Oh.
I've been waking up in the night hot.
I said me too and Mum said something different.
And actually guys, I've changed the way I sleep. It's a very good video, I think. Go to that half, I quickly flip that one round and then roll back. So I'm like a taco.
That's really tight though. Not comfortable, I don't
like
like
wake up on top loose.
And for pudding, I had this like chocolate babka thing, which is really good actually, but none of my family like it. Okay, I know this part wasn't technically dinner, but basically you guys have always telling me to try out Chipotle, and yesterday, long story short, I had it delivered the other week with my friends, but I didn't enjoy it that much. I think it's because of food delivery. I have a whole conspiracy theory on food delivery, but we'll go into that another day. And then yesterday I tried it in the store and it was incredible. I am now a massive fan of Chipotle. It's just sublime, quite frankly. And because you guys have always told me to go, I thought I would show you. So on the delivery, I got a burrito, but it went a bit cold. But then from the store, I got a burrito bowl. I'll put it on screen. And it was incredible. The staff were nice, which is always good. And you've got, it's basically like Subway for burritos. Sorry, I'm rambling about flipping burritos. But I just wanted to say, I've been to Chipotle and can confirm it's incredible. Hello guys, it's Thursday and we have got a dinner prepared by Chloe, which is exciting. So, yeah, Chloe's never normally home in time because she's a busy teacher, so I normally make dinner, so the tables have turned, so this is intriguing. You can get a ladle. So we've got some boiled eggs, basically a deconstructed...
There's no fish.
Kedgeree with no fish and bacon instead. So here it is, savoury rice with bacon bits. This is a classic, and egg.
This is a classic. There's nothing in the house to eat, so let's just
was.
use up.
Yes, it was.
No, I mean we're just using up what we've got.
Yeah, there it is.
It's nothing bad about that.
Not who put the
extra egg in?
What is it that is so satisfying about a time lapse of someone eating? I find them absolutely fascinating and I don't know what it is. It's just all that food disappearing. Also, don't come at me. Yes, I hold my cutlery in the wrong hands. I am an absolute hooligan. Nothing can hold me back. Okay, for pudding last night, I forgot to film. Basically, like, I do snack in the evenings on top of pudding because I just get hungry. I normally have like a pack of crisps or things like that. But for the actual main pudding, which I have straight after dinner, I had 2 of these, which are really good, but unfortunately they don't really fill me up. They are from Aldi and they're rice cakes bars with orange chocolate coating. You can kind of tell that it's the end of the week because all of the food is kind of running out, but it's fine. Hence dinner was just kind of like a mashup of everything. But I think that's the whole point of these 5 days of dinners. I want to show like what I normally have because it's not all wild things. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this 5 days of dinner. I know they are just kind of like substandard meals. They're not really anything exciting, but you guys seem to like them and you're always requesting them. As always, if you have any video requests, please leave them down below. I love hearing from you guys and I read all the comments. So love you so much. Hope you have a cracking week. And if you're watching this whilst you're eating dinner, what are you having for dinner? Or if you're about to have dinner, what are you having for dinner?